Good evening. Welcome to Mickey and my craft. This is Hilda, your host. And guess what I got today? 3 more delicious cupcakes. Okay? This is from Diamond Art Gift. They contacted me. This is a product review. And they I told them, hey, I like those cupcakes, so let's get on to it, okay? This is from Diamond Art Gift. They're 30 by 30. They're special drills, which we're gonna look. It has the regular toolkit, okay? And here it is. Here it is. Let me get my oh, they're nice. They're nice. These look like a Christmas cupcake. Okay. There's only 3 of them. The glue is very good. It goes where it's supposed to go. What you're gonna drill. Okay. This one has 11 colors. And look at how pretty the colors are. Sorry there's any glare. I'll try to, you know. Let me see if I turn the light on. Because I turned one light off. Ooh, there's a lot of glaring in there. Here it is. Let me move the light. Maybe if I move the light. Here it is, how beautiful it is. The color, the holy berry. This is like a Christmas cupcake. This is a blueberry. This is similar to the other one, but it's not the same, okay? It's not the same. So let's take a look at the drills. It's 11 of them, 11. So let's see. This one has some dimples, but it should be no problem. This is the regular drill. These are rhinestones. This one has a little bit of dust. Okay. More beautiful rhinestones. They look good in the back. How beautiful these ones for the holy berry. And these are the big golden ones, which I like the most. Okay. So this is from Diamond Art Gift. Okay, it's the first one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go to the second one. Again, the regular toolkit. You're gonna see the drill. This one have 8 colors. This one look like it's a smaller one. These are all partial, by the way. Only certain areas of the canvas are certain areas are drilled with a special drill. Okay. Oh, and the canvas has some shimmer to it. Okay, look at this. The other canvas does too. This one that I just showed you also had that shimmery in the canvas. And this one has a nice flower on top. The whole thing, including these, as you see over here, are drilled. Eight colors. This is kind of a vanilla. The other one is blueberry, and this is kind of vanilla. I love these cupcakes. But I'm not gonna do this one until next year. At the beginning, I gotta do more diamond painting. Let's take a look at the colors. This only has 8 colors. Let's see. Here are the beautiful rhinestones, the beautiful bag, and they're shiny. Okay. They're very shiny. These are the regular black. These are these nice big blue ones. And small golden beads. That is so neat. And here it is. A nice flavor. And the last but not the least, again, a standard toolkit. We're gonna see this one is neat. This one is like real big. I don't know. Like it has some blueberry with a strawberry or whatever. Here they are. I feel like a blueberry with strawberry. This one has 10 special drape or 10 colors. This one look like it's wider on the bottom part. The glue on all of them are good. Only the part of the cupcake is whatever you see the number is where it gets drilled. Okay, $189. That's beautiful. I like the colors. I like the rose and the berries on the top. It has a lot of to drill on, these cupcakes. This one has 10. And we are going to see. Oh, come on. Here it is. The regular black drills. Rhinestones. They are very colorful and they are okay on the back. Blue is fine, 102. That are scratched, that's okay. Here are these big red ones and these little small one ABs. I love these cupcakes. I don't know about you. They're only $4.99, plus they have a sale on it all the time. You should try it. They're only selling diamond paintings. Okay. Here are all the ones that we saw, the delicious cupcakes. Here they are. Ain't that beautiful? This one with the big rose, the berries, the little rose. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Which one you like best? Although I'm gonna do all of them. They are beautiful, right? Beautiful and tasty. Well, folks, thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby. And don't forget to buy him or her a toy. Okay? Talk to Santa. They have been very good boys and good girls. So thank you for watching. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.